Today we dive into a mystery that's been sneezed across centuries. A phrase so automatic, so ingrained, it pops out faster than the sneeze itself. But why? Are we actually protecting souls, or just trying to avoid awkward silence?
Why do we say bless you when someone sneezes? Are we protecting souls or just trying to avoid awkward silence?
Legend has it that back in the Dark Ages, no Wi-Fi, no vaccines, a sneeze was practically an RSVP to the afterlife. People thought your soul could escape, or worse, that demons could sneak in, like spiritual bug spray.
Stay back, demons.
The Pope himself declared sneezing a dangerous portal and was the holy firewall.
But what if someone sneezed twice?
Double firewall.
Fast forward to today, and no one's worried about demons. But we still say it. Why? Social pressure? Politeness? Or sheer panic that ignoring a sneeze makes you a monster?
Bless you.
Why do you say bless you when someone sneezes? You just say it, right?
I don't know, it's like tradition or something.
And what happens if you don't?
I'd rather not find out.
Experts suggest it's just a knee-jerk reaction, a verbal reflex. Like saying when someone bumps into you, even though we're just standing there minding your own business.
Bless you.
So will bless you survive another century? Probably. Is it necessary? Absolutely not. But next time someone sneezes, try something different. A high five, a Gesundheit, or just awkward silence. Because, let's face it, sneezes deserve better than ancient paranoia.
Bless you.